Welcome to the AbundaCulture channel. The Bible provides pathways to abundance. God is pleased when we succeed abundantly and share generously. AbundaCulture uses the family homestead as a platform to provide 5 basic needs: affordable housing, renewable energy, clean water, healthy food, and safe sanitation. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out our AbundaCulture.org website and download our free training manual. Hello. Today we'd like to talk about using the AbundaCulture training manual. We'd like you to think about 3 things. Number 1, question our AbundaCulture principles in light of the Bible. The first 18 pages will be very helpful to you. Number 2, use the AbundaCulture manual carefully. This is the 4th edition. We've gone through the AbundaCulture training manual very carefully over and over again to make sure that we've given you good instructions. You need to read those instructions very carefully. And let us know if you have any questions. What we're after, is not perfection, but we are after excellence. It's not possible for us to be perfect, but it is possible for us to do something well. And that's the way that AbundaCulture was designed. Number 3, communicate with us. Ask questions. Share your ideas. Let us know what works. We'd like to be your partner in improving your lives. Thanks for taking the time. My producer is going to put, once again, the information for how you can get your free AbundaCulture training manual. It's all there to make your life better. Thanks.
La la la, la la la. For we're all in a master plan. Though the things we do are just grains of sand, when these things are touched by the master's hand, then our lives turn into mountains.